I am here. We are finally doing this. Like a real intro, maybe. Okay, I am going to IKEA with one of my very close friends, which I have not met in person yet. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. Can you notice? Also, I did my makeup, did my eyeliner. It's not perfect, but it's very cute. This is the fit. Fit check, okay. We got an American Eagle sweatshirt, cute. Bizarre jeans on, cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do for shoes yet, but we'll see. But it's gonna be fun, and I get very anxious when I'm in IKEA, so let's see what happens. Luna doesn't want me to leave though, which I get. Hi, I love you. She says hi. I'm so excited. I have not been in IKEA for a year at least. The last time I was there was when I was getting my desk for my computer. So it's been about a year. I'm excited. I know last time I was there for an hour by accident, and I was like literally nervous, shitting myself the whole time, sweating. So hopefully this time is gonna be more fun. I think it will be. I'm so excited. Infamous IKEA stairs. I love this. Whoever did this, you're hilarious.
Oh, exploration.
Say hello. Ah!
I actually really like this.
This would be a very cute bathroom. Guys, look at the thickness of this fake laptop. It's EPROM.
The thickness of the top
Also,
is like the same.
Pokemon. I know, it's so, ugh. What you doing?
Spinning.
Trying to, at least.
I'm getting there. I'm tight. No.
Should not be allowed in the store. I found this very cool wall. I have found such a cool jackpot. So IKEA was actually a lot of fun. I didn't feel like I freaked out or had an anxiety attack or had anxiety while I was there, which was cool. Meeting Nicole was amazing. We had such a good time, honestly. We went to the mall after IKEA, which I'm gonna show you the little things that I got. I'm excited about it. I haven't even put it together because I wanted to film this first. Except for my door hanger thingy-mabob. I did end up actually putting it together, putting it up on my door, cleaning off like the one that I had prior that was hanging onto my door and what was on it. I actually got to move that one onto my desk area room door in case I needed to put anything there, which I kind of don't, but I didn't fit in my closet. So, but anyways, let's get into this tiny little haul. First, I got a wallflower from Bath & Body Works, which I have been wanting to get for so long. I was carrying around one of these with like a huge gemmed out purple butterfly. It was beautiful. I was obsessed. But I didn't want to justify spending like $20 on the thing that was going to be hidden behind, like the piece itself, because it was going to be hidden behind my bed, and it was just, I'm never going to see it. So, and it was huge. It would have took up a lot of space on my outlet. So I found these ones, which was like this one was $5. It was super cheap. It was actually cheaper than all the other ones, like on the cheaper end, even though I think this is the cutest one because it looks like a little daisy or like a little flower, and it's just like, boop, plug her in the wall. Yeah. I love this. I'm so excited to use it. I haven't used it yet. I got 2 cents because they were on sale for like $4 or less. I got my favorite scent ever. ever. I go through these candles like crazy. It's actually bad. It's called Strawberry Pound Cake, and if you have not tried this, oh my god, it's amazing. It smells like you're just baking a cake. Like there's just a nice cake in the oven and that's it. And it's not overwhelming and it's not too sweet, because I'm very picky when it comes to scents. Like it cannot be too strong or anything. This guy is just so comforting. It's just like nice. It's that nice little, it almost like smells warm, which is weird, but like it just gives off warmth. It's so nice. 10 out of 10 recommend, 11 out of 10 recommend. I love this scent and I'm so excited to use it. It'll probably be one of the only scents I'll ever have in my wallflower, but we'll see. The next one I did get another one just because the sale was so good. This one is pineapple mango. I love pineapple smell, or pineapple scent, pineapple in general, and I love mango scents. This I have had as a candle before, and it was pretty good. It was pretty light, more pineapple than mango scent, but I know that this will be a nice little light fruity smell that I can have going on without me feeling too overwhelmed. So that's the other one I got, which I'm super happy about. I also got this little like hand sanitizer case. Honestly, I got it because it was $2 and it was purple, and I was like, you're my favorite color, you're cute, you're cheap. And I did not have one of these actually, where I do have some of the sanitizers, and if I ever wanted to hook it onto something, I can't because I don't have this. So now I have one and I can use it for more than just one sanitizer, which is great. But yeah, picked up one of those just in case. This is another thing that I was super excited about. Nicole and I found this shop called Nooks, I believe it was. If you haven't been to Nooks, it is so cute. It was literally just like a bunch of handmade stuff from like small businesses and stuff like that, and it was so nice. They had so many pins, which like you seen earlier in the video, like it was amazing. We were there forever just looking at pins. Like I was sitting on the floor cross-legged going through the pins. Nicole and I actually decided to get pins to commemorate our first like little hangout in person, and they are matching. I obviously can't show you hers, but this one is mine. It's a little witch cat, and they are all handmade. They were $12 for like two, because there was another one. So Nicole has the same one. It matches mine. It's just black, like a little black kitty. I don't know why it won't focus. There we go. Kind of. Okay, whatever. She's cute. I love her. I don't even want to put it on anything because I never want to lose it, but I love it. you are not subscribed, subscribe. I know that I don't make videos as often, but I'm getting there. It's a process. I do really enjoy doing them, which is really fun, and I'm very excited for this one. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking around and watching and supporting me. I love you. And we will be back next time with another video. We'll see what we come up with or what happens. If you guys have ideas or questions, just please feel free to drop them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram or whatever it may be. All my socials will be right here. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.